Hey guys, so today I wanted to go over how to personalize your leather by adding custom logos or letter stamps. So basically, really all you need is, obviously your logo or your letter stamp, and obviously a mallet, your leather, and honestly this is kind of optional, but water and a sponge. So, I've definitely done this without water before, but, it definitely putting a layer coating of like water on it definitely allows the the logo or the engraving to stand out more. So I do highly recommend it. Let's just start by wetting the sponge a little bit, and then basically you would kind of lightly coat your leather. So basically, at first I thought, oh, maybe you're supposed to just, wet the part that you're supposed to stamp, but no, you actually kind of want an uh, even coating, and also you don't want any watermarks. So basically, you let that sit there for a little bit, let it dry. So you want the original color to show up a little bit. You'll get a better hang of this once you do this a couple times. But so here we go. So after that, you grab your logo. And basically, you place it where you want to place it, and then some people just tap it once. I actually like to tap it multiple times so you could, really hit all the spots. But that is totally up to you. And voila. So let me see if this focuses. There we go. Not bad. If you want to add letters, so I actually got this off of Amazon for like $20. I think it's a pretty cheap Chinese brand, but it works totally great. Obviously, you just choose whatever letter you want, and then you attach this on here. And if you actually look carefully, there's actually like a little indentation right there, so you actually know where to center it, and it comes out perfectly. So, and honestly, for this, I actually recommend using a ruler so you can align all the letters perfectly, and then it comes out nice. But yeah, also I wanted to share where I got this from. I got this stamp from LeatherStampMaker.com, and sorry, it's first time shooting, so I fucking suck at this, but anyway, I can't focus. But anyway, so this, I actually bought it from this company because they actually have a pretty inspiring story. This guy John, so he was involved in a motorcycle accident like over 20 years ago, and since then he's been paraplegic, and he actually turned his life around by starting his leather company, and started making these, and you know as much as I can, I want to support this guy. And he also makes amazing quality products, so why not support him? So I'll include the link in the bio so you can buy both of these items. But yeah, if you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll be sure to post more content soon. Thanks.